So it was a Sunday morning. So I was crying in the comfort room. So lumabas ako sa kanya, pinakita ko sa kanya, and we were both crying.
Hi, my name is Mika Garcia,
I'm Justin Garcia.
and we got married December of 2020. It's pandemic wedding. We started our journey in conceiving right after the wedding. February of 2021, what we did, dahil nga we wanted to conceive na, so we searched in the internet. Dumaan sa page si Delgado with a free consultation with Daxi for 1 hour. I had a consultation with Doc Vasquez. So she advised me to go to the hospital here in Delgado to run some tests. So, for day 2.
The result was she had a high prolactin. The high prolactin, her egg doesn't mature even if it is day 11 after the first menstruation. So even if we try multiple times, the egg is really not mature.
When we say hyperprolactinemia, prolactin is a hormone or a substance, a chemical, na pinoproduce sa ilalim na bahagi ng ating utak. Ito ay responsable sa pagpoproduce ng gatas sa mga nanay na nagpapadede or nagpapasuso. Ang mga causes ng hyperprolactinemia ay, number 1 is prolactinoma or a pituitary tumor o isang tumor na lumalaki sa ilalim na bahagi ng ating utak. Pagpataas ang prolactin sa ating katawan, nakaka-apekto to sa ating pagre-regla. Ibig sabihin, magkakaroon tayo ng irregular menses. Pag nagkaroon ka ng irregular menses, ibig sabihin, maaaring hindi ka nangingitlog or hindi ka nag-ovulate. And when you are not ovulating, mas malaki ang tsansang hindi ka mabuntis or you may suffer from infertility.
It was found that there is a less than 1 centimeter mass in my somewhere in my brain. Overproduce yung prolactin that causes yun nga, yung hindi pagbuo ng mga enzyme.
Maaari siyang gamutin sa pamamagitan ng medications. We give medications like bromocriptine, carbagolin, or pwede siyang surgery.
Vasquez advise or provide multiple medications. Multiple medications that she
Vitamins, and then the medication para he is the one who advised me na mag-test ka before we go into yung vaccine, yung COVID vaccine booster. Sabi ko, sige, wala namang mawawala. But in my mind, it's another negative test that will run again. Nakasanay na yung puso. Pasaktan. It was a Sunday morning, and then, so I was crying in the comfort room. So, lumabas ako sa kanya, pinakita ko sa kanya, and we were both crying. But hindi pa rin ako naniwala kasi sabi ko, baka the trip is not working.
her pregnancy for almost or for 8 months. Naka-bed rest lang pa.
Yeah. Yeah. So, the pregnancy, yung battle doesn't end yung nabuntis ako. So, it's another battle when you had, when you're conceiving, kasi it's not really that easy. Kasi nga may case ako, siguro yung hormones. It was supposedly Feb 6 or early of February, marangan ako, but he came earlier, so around 8 months lang talaga siguro.
But the good thing is that nung nanganak si Mubis, she's hindi na intubate si baby because of the early
Preventive ginawa ni Doc Vasquez. Ang advice namin with the couples who are actually struggling in conceiving a baby, in this journey, natutunan namin na OB are good help, but it's always better to seek talaga. If you've been trying to conceive for more than a year, it's better for you to consult an infertility OB.
Punta sa mga best na mga hospital or clinics that offers fertility or those kind of services, especially like here in Delgado. Because again, the support that they will be providing from day one up until the day na lumabas yung bata. Every single time, the support is there. Sobrang laki ng tulong ng DAPC for us, especially the paragraphs.
And then, yung pinaka-best tip or advice namin is along the journey, you always need to have your faith in God. So, prayers on each step of the way. There is our baby na pinag-care pa namin ng ilang taon to conceive namin dalawa together in partnership with Dr. Vasquez and the Delgado team. So here's our Ethan Zachary Garcia. He's now 1 year old and 2 months. The name Ethan is from the father kasi
The Mission Impossible, Ethan.
gusto, diba? Gusto. And then yung Zachary, Ethan was born January 9, was actually the feast of the Nazarene.